friends, and welcome to the official CedCommerce channel. It's Shekha this side, back again with a new video in the series of videos for Walmart Magento 2 integration. So let's start. So friends, today we'll be talking about managing the products, and once you have created the profile, you need to manage the products. So let's start. To manage the products, you need to go to your Walmart Magento 2 admin panel, and in the left side you can see the Walmart integration button, which you need to click at, and upon clicking it you can see the manage products here under Walmart products. So upon clicking it, you come across a page like this. So here you can see manage products, and in this page you can see all your products. So from here you can take multiple actions for your product, either in bulk or individually for every product from this action button. So although I must add here that from this section you can just edit and upload your product, while for validation and every other option you need to go to this actions bar. So you can see all your options here, like validating the products, validating and uploading them, syncing product status, retiring products, updating inventory, or updating price. So here I can see that my product is still invalid to be uploaded on Walmart. So we'll remove that error first of all. So for that I need to click on it, and I should see that what is the error. So error is here, the required attribute for brand is empty currently. So I'll be opening it in a new tab, and I'll be editing it and removing the error which is creating the problem. So on coming to this tab, I will go to here on Walmart. See, this is the tab which was empty, and that's the reason I couldn't validate my products. So here you need to enter the Walmart brand. So here I'll be entering a random number just to make you understand, and while uploading the product and validating it, you can enter the brand name associated with your business or your needs. So once I've entered it, I'll click on save, and my action has been saved. Yes, you save the product here, the message appears here, and once it's saved, I'll again refresh my page. So you can see here that invalid message is not here anymore, and it's in green color saying not validated, but it is now ready to be validated. So I'll click on this and select this product, and I will click on validate products from here, and it will ask me to validate it and confirm the validation, and I'll be clicking on OK. On doing so, I'll be navigated at the page like this. So here you can see the successfully validation message. I'll go back once again to upload my product this time. So here I have come back to this page, manage products, and we can see here that my product is now valid. So I can now upload it. So I'll be selecting the product, and I will be clicking on this validate and upload products. And again a message appears here to confirm my action. I'll be selecting OK to confirm my action for uploading the product on Walmart. On doing so, a seller will be seeing this, that one product has been uploaded successfully. So this means that my product has been submitted to be featured on Walmart now. So on this page itself, after validating the product and uploading it, we have some more options, and we'll see how they work. So one thing here is sync product status. So this talks about syncing the product status which is appearing here. So for example, if your product is under the status of published on Walmart, but on your Magento it's still showing unpublished, you can select your product and click on this sync product status, and your product status will be synced this way. You'll see a message here appearing, one product synced successfully. Now the next thing that you can do is you can retire products from Walmart. So for that you need to click on this product that you want to retire from Walmart, and then you will select the retire product and confirm the action. On doing so, you will see a message here of success or failure, whether a product has been retired or not. Next thing is updating the inventory or updating the price as well as here. So let's say if a cron is running to update the inventory or price, and still you want to update the inventory or price in real time at a moment, then you can go for this option. You just need to select the product for this and click on update inventory. You need to confirm your action, and after this, confirming this action, you will be seeing a success message here. One product inventory updated successfully. Similarly, you can update price in real time without waiting for the cron, and for that I need to click on the confirmation button. Once you select that, you can see again a success message appearing here. One product price updated successfully. So this is how you manage products after assigning them to a profile, and you can validate and upload your product from this section of this admin panel. You can sync product status, retire products, update inventory, and update price from this page. So I hope you like this video and you are now aware that how do you need to manage your product in the process of Walmart Magento 2 integration. I'll be back with a new video next time in this series of videos for Walmart Magento 2 integration. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care.